probably about 150 cars that went the wrong way. Oh yeah, this is the checkpoint for sure. They're all pulling up in that gas station. I guess the good thing is we were going fast enough that you couldn't hear the clutch rattle. And I see a lot of cars just continuing that way. Damn. That Viper's clean. Too far up. Wish I was off work today. For real. Not bad, not bad. I ain't gonna walk all the way up. I don't want to leave my car back there. But like an ear warning right there. That was, whoa! That's a pretty dope bridge. and I'm on E85, and I don't really know the E85 stations. So, or not, I don't know.
A few moments later.
All right, first cold start of the new year. Groceries, man. Woo, there goes the clutch. But let me know down in the comment section, what are some of your New Year's resolutions? I know New Year's resolutions are kind of bullshit because it should take a new year for you to get right, but something that I definitely want to focus on this year, a little bit more than I have been, honestly all my life, is eating a little bit healthier, man. I think that would definitely be a benefit. So I'm gonna start that this year. I'm gonna try to cut back on as much soda as possible. Oh my God! I'm gonna try to cut back on as much soda as possible. I'm gonna try to cook a lot more. And overall just be a better person, man. Posting a lot more of my content on TikTok. That's something that I definitely need to start doing. I personally, TikTok is kind of funny to me because it's like, I like to watch stuff on TikTok, even though like this last month, I've actually drastically cut back on the amount of TikTok that I consume, because it was a lot, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I had some free time, whenever I was letting a video render or whatnot, or before I went to bed, I'd always watch TikTok. But this last month, ironically, I've completely like stopped doing that, and now going into the new year, 2024, I'm gonna start posting a lot more on TikTok. Now, the content creators on TikTok, I don't know if it's just because, you know, I've been doing YouTube for a longer period of time. Obviously, the gaming stuff way before I decided to start making car content, and obviously, I was, you know, doing car stuff way before I even started the YouTube channel. I mean, shit, the FRS was, you know, boosted damn near before I decided, you know, to make content on this, all this stuff. I don't know if it's just the creators that are kind of cringe over there. I mean, I just feel like there's a lot of like fake people on TikTok. Maybe it's just because it's just TikTok, you know, I don't know, but I'm gonna start posting on there, so if you start seeing my content on TikTok, yes, it is me, it's not a fake account. I know there was actually a couple fake accounts that were posting my shit over there, especially when I had that Subaru, which is kind of ironic. I don't even have that car anymore. People were posting that, but it is me. Ears, POV, same thing on the YouTube, the same thing on TikTok. I'm gonna start posting on there and you know, growing an audience on TikTok as well, because, you know, shit, why not? It's all kind of transferable, and there really is no reason to not post on there. I have like 46K on TikTok or something like that, and I don't even like, I don't even try on TikTok, you know, and that's really, really bad. Like, it's honestly embarrassing. I mean, 46,000 on TikTok and I'm not taking it serious. Kind of stupid. Kind of dumb on my point. So we're gonna change that. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the cruise, the tunnel blast, and had a safe and fun New Year's, man. So if you guys are excited for the content this year and want to stay up to date, feel free to drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, so your boy ears, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.